In this video, I'll show you how to use all apps on cover screen of Samsung Z Flip 7. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. After that, go to Lab and turn on Allowed Apps on cover screen. Then, here you can see the limited apps are showing. For using all apps on cover screen, you want to download Multistar from Galaxy Store. After installing, tap on Get Multistar, then select the apps which you want to add in cover screen. Then tap on Enable Launcher widget. Then add Multistar Launcher widget on cover screen. Done. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.